Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to your first Python tutorial. So today we are going to write an actual code and we are going to talk about some couple of things like operators and variables. It might be a bunch of brutal things, but I promise I'll be as brief as possible and it will be understood at the end of this tutorial. Firstly, on our list we have operators. What are operators? Operators are basic mathematical arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponent. So in the case of Python, some things are different. So let's go ahead and see how they actually work. For addition, it uses normal addition sign. That's the plus sign. So let's go ahead and try 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2. Let's go ahead and run the program. So it doesn't work. The reason why the code doesn't work is because we haven't printed out the result of the addition. So in Python, we have a function called the print function, which prints out the result of the code. So let's go ahead and add the print function to the addition. So print. Let's go ahead and run the program. So now it works. It displays 4 in the console. So let's try the same process for subtraction. 2 minus 2, print 2 minus 2, displays 0. So in the case of division, we use a forward slash. Let's go ahead and try forward slash. That's 2 divided by 2. In the console, it displays 1, which means it works. And for multiplication in Python, we use asterisk instead of normal multiplication sign. So let's go ahead and try 2 multiplied by 2 by using the asterisk. 2 asterisk 2. Let's go ahead and run. It gave us 4, which means it works. Let's try taking the exponential of a number. Let's try 2 raised to the power of 2. For the case of exponent, we use double asterisk instead of the raised to the power sign. So we use double asterisk, 2 raised to the power of 2, which is equals to 4. So again, we have something which we call modulus division. A modulus division is a division which outputs the remainder of a division. So if you go ahead and try, let's try 9 divided by 2. And the sign for modulus division is the percentage sign. So 9 divided by 2 is basically 4 remainder 1. So it displays the remainder. That's what will display in the console is 1. Let's go ahead and run the program. So it displays 1. So that's how we use operators in Python. So okay, the second thing on our list here, we have a variable, and a variable, as I told you earlier, a variable is a storage used for storing data. For example, we have x equals to 5. X is a variable and 5 is a numerical data which is stored in x. So actually, if we go ahead and try printing x, let's try print x, it will display 5 in the console, as you can see here, because x stands for 5. X stores 5. So not only numerical data, we can store characters. Let's go ahead and try storing hello in x. So if we go ahead and run the program, it gives us an error. And here it says name error. Name hello is not defined. So the reason it returns an error is because hello isn't defined and we need to store it in a string. So basically a string is a data stored into a variable in double or single quotations. So let's go ahead and try adding double quotations to hello. So double quotation, and we need to close it. So hello is now a string. So let's go ahead and run it. So it works. It prints hello in the console. And that's how we store a string into a variable. So lastly, on our list, we have saving our code. So basically, saving a code on a computer is like saving a document, except that it requires a name, then a period, then py. That's the abbreviation for a Python document, which stands for a Python document. So let's try saving our code. So for my case, I'm using a different device. I'm using an iPad for my coding. It might be a little different if you are using a system. So let me go ahead and name it as sasindustries.py. sasindustries.py. So you are done. So this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. Please do like and share this. And if you have any complaint or problem in your code, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So thanks.